The first step in getting the S&B ram air scoop installed on an Explorer ST is removing the front bumper and grille. You can see we're doing this here, removing all the rivets, all the bolts, holding the grille and the bumper to the body. There are some below, some above, and then there's some also in the inner fender. We'll get them all removed, everything unclicked. We'll get the front bumper and grille pulled off, then we'll get installing the S&B ram air scoop.
All right, so now we're gonna be installing the brackets onto the scoops. So you have a longer bracket and a shorter bracket. They both jog down towards each other. You'll see when you have it on the vehicle. We could even mock it up like this. So they both go like this, and we use that bolt and that lower bolt. So it sits just like that. But what we're gonna do now is we're gonna take these M4 bolts, and we're gonna get them installed into the bracket. Now after you have the brackets on, remove these two bolts, 5/16 or an 8 mil. Then the scoop goes right in between, so no drilling or cutting required. Put it back in. Then after you install the shroud, you can see how it just directs the ram air right into the intake kit. And you can see here is what it looks like. Matches the ST logo. Nice big air grabber right there in the front of the grill.